Shalom Aleichem, it's Yaakov Ram Shepherd here from King David's Tomb, KingDavidKabbalah.com, and I want to share with you an interesting idea, interesting principle that we can tie to this Parashat of Vayachi. We see that the Parashat of Vayachi which is the life of Yaakov, right? Like Yaakov lived, and really it's speaking mostly about the death of Yaakov. Same thing we have about Sarah Imenu. It says Chayei Sarah, and really we're talking about the death of Sarah. So the idea is that the sages are teaching us Tzadikim b'mitatam kruim chayim. The righteous people in their death they are called alive. Okay, and this is the other side of the wicked people. It says Reshaim b'chayim nikraim metim. The wicked people in their life they are called dead. So the question is, what does it mean life and what does it mean death? So we think about life and death in this world, physical. The physical body, is the physical body alive or dead? So that is our definition usually for life and death. But the Torah is teaching us that life and death is not about that. It is about connection to Hashem. So the righteous people, when they are dying in this world, they are getting out of the limitation of the physical, and they are able to connect to Hashem in much higher level. So that's why they are called alive, because after all of this time that they had the yearning to connect to Hashem, they're actually able to get to that in a much higher level. And the wicked people, that they are living their life away from Hashem, away from the Torah. So even though their physical body is alive, but their soul is dead because they are not connecting to their soul. They are not connecting to Hashem. So what is the use of life if the person is not connected to Hashem? That's the whole purpose. So they are called dead even though their physical body is alive. So basically what I want to say is that this is the whole purpose of all of the teachings that we are doing here in King David's Tomb, in the KingDavidKabbalah.com project, to help you, to help ourselves, to help the whole world to live true life, to connect to Hashem in this way. And I want you to join me and follow those classes, and not only to listen to them, also to practice them. So by practicing those classes, by practicing those meditations, those principles, to live according to them, you get to a real life. Thank you very much, and blessings from King David's Tomb.